In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to mark an invoice as paid in Xero. Managing your invoices efficiently is crucial for keeping your business finances in order. Let's dive into how you can easily mark an invoice as paid in Xero and make sure your records are up to date. First, ensure you're logged into your Xero account and find your way to the dashboard. The dashboard is your home base in Xero, giving you a quick overview of your financial activities. Once you're at the dashboard, you'll want to click on the Sales menu option. This will direct you to where all your invoices and sales-related activities are organized. Next, click on Invoices from the drop-down. This section displays all your invoices, whether they're awaiting payment, paid, or overdue. It's an organized list that helps you track the payment status. Once you're in the Invoice section, scroll through your list of invoices and select the specific invoice you wish to mark as paid. Let's say, for example, you select the invoice for basket case. Click on it to bring up the specific details of this invoice. With the invoice open, look for the Add Payment option and click on it. This will open up a form where you'll enter the payment details. Start by entering the amount paid. Ensure the amount accurately reflects the total payment received for this invoice to avoid any discrepancies in your financial records. Next, input the date the payment was received. This is crucial for maintaining accurate financial data and making sure your books are up to date. The following step is to choose the account into which the payment was deposited. This could be your main business bank account or another account where you routinely receive payments. If you're unsure, consult your accounting records to confirm. After setting the account, select the corresponding bank if directed, ensuring it aligns with where the payment was deposited. Choosing the correct accounts helps in tracking your cash flow accurately. Now, you'll need to specify the type under Current Liability or Equity if necessary. This helps in appropriately categorizing the transactions in your financial statements, providing a clearer picture of your financial position. Then, click on Reference to add any additional details.